how to redeem your Roblox gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily redeem your gift card of Roblox, or how to redeem Roblox gift card. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. What you can do is you can simply head into your any browser on any of your device. Simply head into your browser, any browser, and then at the search bar you want to type in roblox.com/redeem. As you can see here, roblox.com/redeem. You want to simply search for it and you'll be headed to this link here. Now on this page, you want to first make sure that you are signed in or logged into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in, and you'll get this option where it says redeem your gift card. So you want to enter in your code. Once you enter in your code here, it'll ask you to enter. Simply tap on redeem here down, and once you redeem it, once the redeem is successful, you'll get this successfully redeemed message popping up. So this way you can easily redeem your Roblox gift card. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.